So the good thing about this is that VisualCAD has a really cool utility for that as well, that allows you to orient your part based on how you want to machine it. So let's show you that. If you go up to the Setup menu, and this is on the Program tab of the VisualCADCAM machining milling browser, we're going to use the Orient Part command. And here you'll see a picture of a basic three-dimensional part where you can select the direction that you want to machine from. So obviously in this part, we're going to want to machine, from the front face here inward. So we're going to select this option right here. And you'll see that the Z-axis is displayed on the screen. So we're going to be machining from that direction. We're just going to pick OK. So you'll see that it flipped it over automatically. And now that it's flipped over, then you can go ahead and start programming it through your normal CAM procedures. So that's basically how, again,